Now I request the respected Chief Executive Officer Dr. Shivkumaraya to introduce the chief guest Dr. Sharma and invite him for the graduation ceremonial address.
Good afternoon to all of you. I seek the blessings of our founder, President of Sri Siddhganga Education Society, His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivkumar Swamiji, and submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, President Sri Siddhganga Education Society and Chairman Governing Council SIT, dignitaries on the dais and friends. I am happy to introduce Professor S.C. Sharma Sir, Director NAC, Bangalore. Professor S.C. Sharma is a distinguished educationist, researcher of par excellence, an able administrator, an enlightened technocrat, a versatile musician, and a man with missionary zeal to serve the society with relentless devotion. He is an honorary distinguished professor in the Center of Energy, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. He is a distinguished advisor for many academic institutions and academic bodies across the country. He has served as the Vice Chancellor of Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University and Vice Chancellor of Tumkur University. He has also served as Vice Chairman of Karnataka State Higher Education Council and Visiting Scientist, Department of Aerospace, Indian Institute of Science. During 2003-04, he was an adjunct professor at Leonard C. Nelson College of Engineering, Institute of Technology, West Virginia University, and he was senior scientist in the College of Engineering and Applied Science, University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee, USA for 5 years. His distinction as an academician and administrator has brought laurels to him in the form of many positions on various boards of the state governments, research institutions, and institutions of national importance. He was a member of the Karnataka State Planning Board, honorary advisor to Sir Dorabji Tata Trust, member of the Advisory Committee of the Indian Institute of Dalit Studies, New Delhi. He was a member of search panels for selecting Vice Chancellors for central and state universities. He is a member of Indian Ranking Society, IRS, New Delhi, Indian National Commission for Cooperation with UNESCO, New Delhi. True to his eminence, he served in prominent bodies such as advisor of External Research Advisory Committee of IIT Guwahati, Assam. He is a member of Ethics Committee of All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysuru. He is a member of Task Force for Framing Operational Strategies and Roadmap with Financial Implementation of National Education Policy 2020 for Arunachal Pradesh. He is a member Society for Professional Ethics and Management, Bangalore, member of Medical Advisory Council, National Medical Commission, New Delhi, life member, Institute for Social and Economic Change, Bangalore. He also holds the Doctor of Law from the prestigious National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. Research. Professor Sharma Sir has made significant contribution to the field of research. He has successfully completed many research projects with the support of funding organizations like ISRO, DST, CABS, CSIR, ADA, DBT, GTRE, LRDE, NRB, UGC, AICTE, and others. His latest research areas include photoluminescence of nanophosphorus, thermoluminescence, photocatalytic studies of radioactive nanomaterials, sensors for phenolic compounds, hydroquinone, melamine, dopamine, paracetamol, folic acid, dosimetry, and advanced forensic applications of nanomaterials. Professor Sharma Sir has published over 351 research papers, written 18 books, and secured 6 patents to his credits. His publications have earned him over 7,600 citations with H-index of 46 from Scopus. Our principal has mentioned our total citations exceeded only 8,000. Professor Sharma Sir alone has 7,600 citations to his credit, and also H-index is 46. Professor Sharma Sir has authored 2 books along with Nobel laureates. Professor Sharma sir has created many research cells and centers besides creating facilities in various institutions. He has set up incubation centers and forged alliance with many industries, academic bodies and NGOs for the betterment of the community and student stakeholders. Professor Sharma sir has delivered more than 100 keynote addresses at both national and international fora and has inspired a million minds to contribute for the betterment of the nation. In the recent global survey conducted by Stanford University, USA, the name of Professor Sharma sir has been listed as world top 2% scientists from India. Now his work in NAC as the director of NAC, Professor Sharma has ushered in a new era of assessment and accreditation process in the country. With the guidance of Ministry of Education, UGC and the teamwork of NAC officials, he has given new impetus to quality assurance by ushering in ICT-enabled assessment and accreditation process with customized manuals and methodology for universities and other academic institutions. It may not be out of place if I mention, before Sharma sir took over as director of NAC, only the NAC accreditation was not based on ICT. Only if one is good at writing, then they could have got good grades. And I have observed the institutions which have secured A plus in the world format, they are relegated to B plus in the second cycle. Now that speaks of quality. NAC under the stewardship of Professor Sharma sir has established linkages with many national and international bodies for excellent coordination and mutual sharing and learning. Now, other services of Sharma sir, he has been propagating anti-alcoholism, salvaging thousands of victims of the dreaded menace by conducting mass program for functional literacy for the rural poor. He has rehabilitated 2,000 spastics, leprosy-cured children, sexually abused and deserted women through his time-tested, proven scientifically award simplex educational modules. He has infused Gandhian ideology into the hearts of gullible masses through well-planned adult education program. Professor Sharma sir has represented India at the first forum of Global Network of Religions for Children organized by Arigato Foundation, Tokyo, Japan in May 2000 and at the second forum in Geneva, Switzerland in May 2004. And effectively delineated the action program for the education of the underprivileged children of the world, which has received special attention by the United Nations for possible adoption in global educational policy making for children. He has established training, research and education endeavor, that is TREE Foundation, to promote education and training on need-based modules. Awards. Professor Sharma sir received many awards and accolades. I name a few only here. Professor Sharma sir is the recipient of UGC Career Award, UGC National Fellowship and a Giant Tata Scholar. He has 10 doctoral conferments based on his research work from various universities including Mysore University and Deakin University, Australia. He is conferred with honoris causa from 9 government universities. Professor Sharma sir has been conferred with honorary fellowship by Karnataka Science and Technology Academy in 2020. He is the recipient of the prestigious International Thermac 2013 Distinguished Award at Las Vegas, USA. He has received Karnataka Rajyotsava Award, National Integration Award from the Universal Spiritual Awareness Organization, New Delhi, Dr. Rajaramanna Award from KSCST. Considering Professor S.C. Sharma's contribution to the field of education, research and social development, the Department of Social Welfare, Government of Karnataka has honored him with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Award during 2005, Babu Jagjeevan Ram Award during 2007, Aryabhatta International Award in 2011. Professor Sharma sir is also a distinguished musician. He has been recognized for his excellence and proficiency in the field of music through recognitions like Artist of the Year by Bangalore Gayan Samaja, the prestigious Karnataka Kalashri Award for Excellence in Music, and Gana Kala Shri Award for his contribution to the field of music. Now I edited, I made it short, sir, but actually it is voluminous. This is a brief biodata of our chief guest, Professor Sharma, sir. Now, may I request Professor Sharma, sir, to deliver the graduation ceremonial address.